What chain is Beam on? You've probably heard this question a million times, especially if you're a fan of the show. It's one of those burning mysteries that has kept viewers guessing for years. Well, I'm here to finally put an end to the speculation and give you a definitive answer. Before we dive into the mystery, let's take a quick look at what makes Beam such a captivating show. From its futuristic setting to its complex characters, there's a lot to love about this series. The show's popularity has only grown over the years, and fans are always eager to learn more about its universe. Theories and speculations. Over the years, countless theories have been proposed about the chain Beam is on. Some fans have suggested that it's a fictional chain created specifically for the show, while others believe it's based on a real-world chain. There have also been theories that the chain is a metaphor for something else entirely. Analyzing the evidence. To determine the chain Beam is on, we need to analyze the evidence presented in the show. Let's start by examining the clues that have been dropped in the dialogue and plot lines. Have any characters mentioned the chain's name or given any hints about its location? The chain revealed. After careful examination, it's clear that the chain Beam is on is chain name. This chain is known for its unique feature or characteristic. It's a popular choice among target audience and is often associated with positive quality. Why this chain makes sense? Now that we know the chain, let's discuss why this choice makes sense for the show. Explain how the chain aligns with the show's theme, characters, or plot. This chain provides a perfect setting for the show's action and helps to create a believable and immersive world. The impact of the chain. The chain Beam is on has a significant impact on the show's narrative. It influences the characters' decisions, shapes the plot, and adds an extra layer of complexity to the story. By understanding the chain, viewers can gain a deeper appreciation for the show's themes and the characters' motivations. So, there you have it. Beam is on, chain name. This revelation brings a new level of understanding to the show and allows fans to appreciate it in a whole new way. If you're a fan of Beam and want to discuss this revelation further, be sure to leave a comment below. Let's share our thoughts and theories about the show and its implications. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.